Courage. State Standard HS4.T.R3.C. Compare and debate the connection between a theatrical work and contemporary issues that may impact audiences. It takes a great deal of bravery to stand up to our enemies, but just as much to stand up to our friends. Albus Dumbledore, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. Courage is being scared to death and saddling up anyway. John Wayne. I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. Nelson Mandela. Courage doesn't always roar. Sometimes, courage is the little voice at the end of the day that says, "I'll try again tomorrow." Marianne Radmacher. When our brain registers that we are in danger, it triggers the fight or flight response. This is a series of hormonal changes and physiological responses that enable us to react quickly to a threat stimulus. The fight response means we lash out with our bodies to protect ourselves. The flight response means we immediately retreat from the danger. Both of these responses are in place to keep us alive. They are perfectly natural and normal. There are times when fighting back to protect yourself is absolutely the right thing to do, but there are also times when giving in to the urge to fight means giving in to fear. There are times when running away in order to protect yourself is absolutely the right thing to do, but there are also times when running away means giving in to fear. Having courage means ignoring that self-preservation instinct. That is to say, courage cannot exist without fear. Courage is the ability to complete a task, solve a problem, or resolve a conflict despite being afraid. If courage means overcoming fear, what is the word for giving in to fear? Cowardice is the inability to complete a task, take a risk, or solve a problem due to fear of the outcome.